Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kenna. Welcome. I am super excited for this video. This collection that I'm getting ready to do a tutorial on, I've had probably about a month now. I'm slacking on getting these videos out right when I get them, but you know, hey, at least I'm here. But I'm super excited to be doing the Barbie by ColourPop collection. When I saw this come out, I was super excited. Honestly, I think I was more excited with this palette than Disney. If you know me, then my family is a big Disney fanatic family. Growing up, I was majorly into Barbies, so this just gave me all the nostalgia feels. Growing up, I also had a whole bunch of collector's Barbies, but I recently got them back from my mom, and I decided to open most of them up and give them to Skylin. If I would have gotten them years ago, I probably would have given them to Hayden when she was into Barbies. Now that Skylin is into Barbies, I decided to just open them up with her, and it kind of gave me like all these feels, you know, just nostalgia and just really good happy feels to open them up and see her just be amazed at these older Barbies and just playing with them. And I was playing with her too, and it was just wonderful. So I did keep a few. I kept my 2008 graduation Barbie because that's the year I graduated high school, and then I also kept my Spice Girls Barbies. Anyway, let's get into this collection. So this collection comes with an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter, 3 lip duos, faux lashes, and a handheld mirror. All right, I'm gonna quickly show you the mirror. This is what the back of the mirror looks like, just a nice little handheld mirror. The faux lashes are called doll lashes. This is what they look like. The lip duos come with a lip liner and a lipstick. The first one you're taking a look at is Dreamhouse. Here is the lip liner. Nice little pink, and the lipstick. And I love how it says Barbie on the side of the lipstick. I'll swatch them for you. So that is Dreamhouse. And then the next one that we're looking at is Golden Beach. So here's the lip liner. And then here is the lipstick. So it's more of a nude color. And the last one's Malibu Sunset, and I think this one might be my favorite. It's so vibrant. All right, again, we have Dreamhouse, Golden Beach, and Malibu Sunset. And this is the highlighter, and it's called Beach Party. Nice sandy beach looking highlighter. And it's super smooth. Let's do a swatch. Right there. All right, and then the eyeshadow palette is called Malibu Barbie. And I just want to say, I absolutely love the packaging of all of these products. They're super adorable. All right, so this is the palette. These are such gorgeous colors. For the first row of the palette, we have Cali Girl, Vintage Doll, Come On, Let's Go Party, and Shine On. For the second row, we have West Coast, Best Coast, Follow the Sun, Malibu Memories, and Zuma Beach. And for the third row, we have Make Waves, Boardwalk, Surf's Up, 1971, and SoCal. These colors are so gorgeous. ColourPop makes just amazing eyeshadows. They're always so pigmented, and some of these are so just vibrant, like SoCal here and Best Coast, the pink. With this palette, I have tons of ideas of what kind of eye look I want to do, but since it's June and it's Pride Month, I think for this video I'm going to do more of a rainbowish type eye look. So let's just get into it. I have the full face on except for the products that are in this collection. So my eyes are already primed, and I'm gonna put my bangs back. Ooh, there we go. All right, and let me zoom me in for a closer look. I'm gonna start off with West Coast. Start up here. And then right next to that, I'm gonna put Make Waves. Then I'm gonna go into SoCal. Now I'm gonna go into Boardwalk. I'm using the same brush for all of these colors. Now I'm going into Best Coast. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush that is clean as I can find, and then I'm going to kind of just, blend them up here together so the lines aren't as harsh. Alright, now I'm going to do a cut crease. And it's been a very long time since I've done a cut crease, so we'll see how this turns out. On top of that concealer, I'm going to put Vintage Doll. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of Best Coast, and I think I'm going to bring it down a little bit now. I'm going to take that fluffy brush and blend it down here a little bit better. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take Malibu Memories. For my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use Cali Girl. right, I'm gonna go finish up the eyes with some eyeliner, mascara, and I'm also going to apply these doll lashes. So I will be right back. All right, the eyes are done. I absolutely love the look of these doll lashes. All right, now I'm gonna apply the Beach Party highlighter, and I went kind of heavy in. So let's see. Ooh. This is a gorgeous highlight. For this look, I'm gonna do the Malibu Sunset Lip. So here's the lip liner. Yay! Use a little mirror for this one. There we go. For the lipstick. That lip is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. All right, that's it for the collection. I absolutely love the look I created. I can't wait to create more looks with this eyeshadow palette. These colors are just stunning and the pigmentation amazing. I absolutely love ColourPop products. In my collection, I think I have more ColourPop products than any other brand out there. So ColourPop, if you're watching, I would love to be on your PR list. If you haven't noticed, I got my new background up. I also got my new desk in and my new light, so I'm super excited. I absolutely love it. Again, it's not anything too like glamorous or elaborate or anything, but I love the background that I have now. So again, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kenna. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, bye.